Hello aspiring and inspiring glassblowers. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we melt, shape, and create. I'm not an expert, but I am a professional. Please keep in mind my methods might not be your method. Let's get started. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make heart pendants. My color choice today is fade to black. Always clean your glass. Gather your rod into a nice ball. The size of the heart will depend on how much glass you gather, and also how thin you flatten it. Gather until you have a nice big teardrop form. Once you have that, flatten the teardrop until you have your desired size. You might have to go back into the flame several times. This color is very cool once it's struck out. Remember what it looked like before? Next, start heating the large round end of the teardrop. This will be the top of the heart. Using a sharp blade, create the top part of the heart by slicing down the glass, separating two pieces. This will create some gather in the crease. Get that part really hot and flatten it out with your paddle so it melts into the heart. Keep melting and squishing until everything is smooth and to your desired shape. I use the paddle through a lot of steps to keep the heart smooth and to straighten out the sides more. Next is a bail, which is a loop for a necklace to go through. Put a dot on each side with the color you're going to use, and melt it into the pendant. I use clear for a lot of my bails. Then weld the clear rod to one of the dots and pull away, creating a small thinner rod. Grab that string and attach it to the other dot and melt it in. Next, heat the entire loop to even out the glass, and use your reamer to round it out to the desired shape and size. Now punty up to the side with the loop to finish shaping the rest of the heart. Pull your heart away from the rest of the color so it tapers off. And then using a paddle or your marker, you can finish shaping the bottom. Always hit your surface with a mini torch at the end to make it nice and smooth and take away any ripples from pressing it flat. Remove your piece from the punty, polish her off and toss it in the kiln. What tutorial do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this week's tutorial. Please share your results with me and make sure to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to support my channel so I can make more videos for the community.